Chapter 2 Microorganisms. In this chapter, the topics that we are going to study are types of microorganisms, useful microorganisms, harmful microorganisms, food preservation, and nitrogen cycle. So, our world is full of different types of living organisms. We see different types of plants, animals, birds, and other organisms in our surrounding. But there are some organisms that are too small and tiny. कुछ organisms इतने छोटे होते हैं कि हम उन्हें अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख पाते. These organisms can only be seen under a microscope. So the tiny living things that can only be seen under a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. Micro मतलब very small or tiny. So microorganisms means tiny organisms. These microorganisms are found everywhere on land, water, air, food and our body, etc. तो microorganisms सभी जगह पर पाए जाते हैं. They can survive in extreme ice-cold conditions to hot springs. So microorganisms can survive almost all types of environment. The branch of science which deals with the study of microorganisms is called microbiology. तो साइंस की ऐसी ब्रांच जिसमें माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स पर स्टडी की जाती है उसे माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कहते हैं. Some microorganisms are useful while some microorganisms are harmful. Harmful microorganisms cause diseases. These disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Harmful microorganisms की वजह से बीमारी हो सकती है. ऐसे microorganisms जिनसे बीमारी होती है उन्हें pathogens कहा जाता है. Now let us see a small activity to show the presence of microorganisms in air. For that we need to take a slice of bread and moisten it. Now place it in a warm place exposed to the atmosphere for a few days. You will observe grayish patches appearing on the bread. Leaving the bread exposed to the atmosphere increases the likelihood of fungal spores settling on the bread and growing on it. Now take a little of this grayish patch and spread it on a glass slide in a drop of water and observe it under the microscope. You will see structures as shown here. These structures are called bread mold. So we can conclude from this activity that microorganisms are present in the air. Now microorganisms are of different types. Microorganisms can be classified into 5 groups: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, and viruses. Number 1. Bacteria. Singularly, bacteria is called bacterium. Bacteria are the simplest microorganisms and are unicellular or single-celled. Bacteria single या एक सेल से बना microorganism है. They are found in different shapes like rod-shaped, example bacillus, spherical, example coccus, spiral-shaped, example spirillum, and comma-shaped, example vibrio. Almost all bacteria are invisible to the naked eye. ज़्यादातर बैक्टीरिया को देखने के लिए माइक्रोस्कोप की जरूरत पड़ती है. But a bacteria named Thiomargarita namibiensis is the largest bacterium ever discovered. Thiomargarita namibiensis अब तक का largest discovered bacterium है. These bacteria was found in the ocean sediments of the continental shelf of Namibia. It is large enough to be seen with the naked eye. Second, algae. Singularly, algae is called alga. Algae are simple and they are plant-like organisms. Some algae are unicellular while some are multicellular. Chlamydomonas algae is the example of unicellular organism. मतलब वो एक ही सेल से बना है. Spirogyra algae is the example of multicellular organism. मतलब वो एक से ज़्यादा सेल से बना है. Algae are found in water. Algae water में रहता है और उसमें क्लोरोफिल मीन्स ग्रीन पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है. क्लोरोफिल सनलाइट अब्सॉर्ब करता है and because of chlorophyll, algae can prepare their own food. Algae क्लोरोफिल की मदद से वो अपना खाना खुद प्रोड्यूस करता है. Third is protozoa. Singular word for protozoa is protozoan. They are unicellular microorganisms. Protozoa सिंगल सेल या एक सेल से बना माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है. They cannot prepare their own food. वो अपना खाना खुद प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. Protozoa are heterotrophs. They depend on other plants and animals for food. They eat microscopic plants and animals. For example, amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, and trypanosoma. Next, fourth is fungi. Singular word for fungi is fungus. Fungi are organisms like plant. Mostly fungi are saprophytes. Fungi plant जैसे organisms है. ज़्यादातर fungi saprophytes होते हैं. They obtain nutrition from dead and decaying matter. वो मरी हुई चीज़ें यानी कि dead plants, animals, etc. इनसे न्यूट्रिशन अब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. But some fungi are parasites. कुछ fungi parasites होते हैं. मतलब वो दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी में रहते हैं और उनसे न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं. The next fifth is viruses. Singular word for viruses is virus. Virus are the smallest microorganisms that can only be seen under an electron microscope. वायरस सबसे छोटा माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म है जो सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप की मदद से ही दिखाई देता है. Viruses are made up of genetic material surrounded by a protein coat. वायरस में जेनेटिक मटेरियल यानी डीएनए प्रेजेंट होता है और वायरस के बाहर की कवरिंग प्रोटीन से बनी होती है. नॉर्मली वायरस बिहेव्स लाइक अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. वायरस नॉन लिविंग थिंग की तरह ही बिहेव करता है. बट वायरस स्टार्ट्स मल्टीप्लाइंग इटसेल्फ आफ्टर एंटरिंग इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म और infecting living host cell. Outside the host cell, a virus does not show any characteristic of a living thing. So viruses are said to be neither living nor non-living organisms. तो वायरस को ना ही लिविंग माना जाता है ना ही नॉन लिविंग थिंग. Examples of viruses are bacteriophage, influenza virus, etc.